What is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually be showing you a brand new money making website that is going to pay you out to literally just watch videos. I'm going to be showing you a brand new strategy with this website so that you can make as much money as possible and passively, guys. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start to make some money today. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So this is going to be the brand new website right here. It's called loot.tv. It is just like Hideout TV, but I'm going to be showing you a strategy with this one website right here that you can actually withdraw to a lot of different websites from it. Now, the way this works is just like Hideout TV. You watch these videos and you get paid to do so. So you can see I already have around 402 points, and this is just like half a day of watching videos, guys. I can get around 1,000 to 1,500 points every single day for just watching videos, and it gives me a lot of different coins, and I'm going to be showing you exactly what I'm talking about in a minute, guys. So this is pretty much it from this website. It's really straightforward. You sign up, you click on one of these, and then you just let it do its thing. I have this running on my Windows desktop. This is my MacBook. This is running on my Windows desktop 24 hours a day, and I just come in and redeem my points every single day to another website to earn me more money. And I'm going to be showing you the reason why I'm actually using this other website to make my money. So look, we're going to be using this to get these points. Once we have earned enough points, which is only need like a couple, you can come over here to redeem points, or you can come over here to link accounts, and you can go over here to select a website and look at all of these different websites that you can use with this website itself. By getting these points, those points are going to be transferred to the other website. So let's say Random Satoshi, and that is what we're going to be using for this website, just because it gives us a lot of bits inside of Random Satoshi. So this is the Random Satoshi website that I'm using, and you can see right here, guys, I have 66,000 points or bits, which are the point system for Random Satoshi, and I'm going to be earning some cryptocurrency. The reason why I'm earning crypto is because as crypto is cheaper or more expensive, then your crypto is going to be worth more. So it's good to get it as much as possible every single day. And they also have a daily bonus inside of Random Satoshi, and Random Satoshi is really straightforward, straight to the point. You just come in, you earn bits, and then these bits you can redeem them for Bitcoin, XMR, Doge, and I only use Bitcoin, Doge, Ethereum, and Litecoin just because those are like the major coins in the crypto space at the moment on this website. And I also use this multiplier settings by ×3, and then just save it, and then come over here. Once you have enough points, which you only need like around 300, right now for me it's 345, just because my level system is going up. The higher the level, the more satoshis you get. So if you come down here and click on claim, I have 39 in queue right now. I have 158 in queue, so that's 158 claims, and each claim gives you 66 claims in each one. So that's just multiplied by like 66 or whatever the math is for that, guys. I'm getting a decent amount of income from this just by leveling up these systems on Bitcoin, Doge, Ethereum, and Litecoin. You can see they're all level 8s. If I just stick with one coin, I can make it to like level 10 or 20 already. So straightforward, guys. The higher the level, the more satoshis you get per claim. So in order to actually make this happen, let's just redeem my points right now live inside of loot.tv. So I'm going to go to redeem. I'm going to come over here and select the only website I have it selected to. I'm going to be getting another 30,000 bits added to that. So we're going to click on that. It's going to show you that your points has been redeemed. Now we're going to continue to keep watching so I can actually earn some more points as I'm earning passively on Random Satoshi. So if you really think about it, this is a full strategy to earn passive income with these two websites. Let's refresh the page real quick so I can show you that this is actually working. So let's refresh the page, and look, now we have 96,678 points, and there's other ways to earn on Random Satoshi as well, but that is just like the passive method. We can come over here to earn more under bits, and once we have done that, guys, you can do short links, you can mine on your computer, you can do offer walls, which a lot of people do not do this at all. You can earn bits by watching videos, so you just click on there. We have Hideout, and we have loot.tv and Hideout related. I do not know what that one is, but I use Hideout for a different website now. now, and I use Loots, which is the newest one, and this one is working wonders at the moment for me. This is how I'm making all of my bits passively. I don't do any other strategies inside of Random Satoshi but Loots.tv, and I have Hideout running for a different platform that I'll be making a video on pretty soon. So if we come down here, guys, we can come over here and spend all of our bits to earn some more claims. So let's see how much claims I can earn with this 96,000 claims or bits. So let's just do like 15. So we're gonna click this 15 times and wait for it to say success down here. There we go. So now let's move on to Doge real quick. Let's claim another 15 and wait for it to say success. Let's move on to Ethereum, another 15, and this is how I do it every single day, guys, just to make this level up system go passive, or like level up as quickly as possible for all of them, all at the same exact time, so I can keep on growing this account and earning more bits or more Satoshis as time goes on. So that just knocked it down around like 10-15 per like thousand, so we can just do this a lot more times. So now let's move this up to like 25 real quick. So just to make this go by quicker, let's do 25, and to see how quickly our bits goes down, and you can see it move right there, guys. So look, let's come down here, let's go. We have 67,000, so let's do another 25 for Doge. And once we have done that one, now we're gonna wait for a bit, and it's gonna say 58, so we can do a lot more, guys, a lot more claims in these Satoshis or in these cryptos. So now we can do another 25 there, and our last one's gonna be Litecoin. And after this, I think I'll just do the rest after I'm done with this video, guys. I do not want to bore you just by me clicking on a simple button and earning some Bitcoin or crypto. So now we have that, and we barely got knocked down to 41,000, so we can do that one more time and we should finish it all. Now I have 318 in queue, and I have 4 active claims. So once you have done that, just click right here on open claim tab, and now it's going to be running passively, guys. So you can see I have 44 claims out of 66. So once we have done that, it's going to take out one from the queue, and then it'll be 66 again. It'll be 1 out of 66, 2 out of 66, 3 out of 66, and just keep going over and over and over again. This is a really easy way to earn passive income with Random Satoshi with Loot.tv, guys. Have you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions? Keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here's the volume. So
you're falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. What do? You jump straight up and you wonder what.
So as you guys can hear that volume in the background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs. You can do it about crabs. You can do it about cars. Anything that you can think of, guys, my team is going to do it for you. And this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett. I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel. So you guys can come in, check it out, and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like a, I guess, program, or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team will do for you. My team will do the script writing. the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, it all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you, and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to get views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast, a secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload, what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. So this is going to be my results. This is going to be my my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here, how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you, a really cheap price at the moment, only $25, which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.